Purpose of this episode is to talk about the animation principles
and how they can apply to text animations in motion graphics. The 12 principles were first contrived by Disney in the 1930s, but you don't need to be creating big-budget cartoons or frame-by-frame animation to implement them into your work. Together we will create a text animation while learning about the principles. Can't wait to see your animations.
Welcome to the first class in my new series, where I show students how to animate more advanced text animations. In this first class, I'll show you how to animate 3D text using Cinema 4D Lite that comes for free with your Adobe subscription. Can't wait to see the animations you create. Hello and welcome to the second edition of my advanced text series. In this edition, I'll be teaching students how to animate stretchy text, as well as some other tips and tricks to improve your animations. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Hello and welcome to the third edition of my advanced text series. In this edition, I'll be teaching a weighted font animation, along with some other techniques to improve your animations. Can't wait to see the animations you create. Hello and welcome to the fourth edition of the series where I teach how to create more complex text animations. In this edition, together we'll be animating a long shadow animation. And then, as a bonus, near the end of the class, I'll teach students how to create more complex shadow animations. Can't wait to see the animations you create.